Hey everyone, it is Monday, Feb 10th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a nice weekend. Last Friday, you may have seen I put in a payout request with Apex Trader Funding. This was on one of my 50K PA accounts I have with them. And I got the email back today that it was denied. And the reason is improper risk management. And I think I know exactly why. I'm not pissed about this. If you're not familiar with Apex Trader Funding, they have a lot of rules that go into their PA accounts. So it's easy to get denied a payout. Even though I met the profit target and that was all okay, at one point I probably had a intraday drawdown of greater than $750. So you had to be careful that you don't let any trade go against you greater than 30% of your drawdown. So at your initial drawdown, I was kind of trading probably a little heavier size than I should have, and had an E-mini contract on, and was letting it ride a little bit, especially with all the volatility we have. Obviously, the account survived that. However, even though it wasn't an actual loss, they still count that against you. So that was on me. That is what it is. So what am I going to do about it? Well, luckily, I'm just going to keep trading. Those profits aren't forfeited. I just have to trade an additional 8 days and show proper risk management. So how I'm going about that is I am switching to just trading a micro on this account, and I'll do that for 8 days. For 5 of those 8 days, I need to have a profit of greater than $50 to be eligible for a payout. So not out of the realm of possibility. I think I can get there. And yeah, I'll just, obviously with one micro, I'm not going to let it get to that crazy improper risk management. So in fact, I have a trade today that I've already met over the $50, and we're going to go over that right now. So here is MotiveWave. I have it logged in with Apex Trader Funding. I've got my charts set up, and I was able to take 2 trades this morning. And for the PA account we just discussed, I made $57.50. So not bad for trading one micro account or one micro contract on the NASDAQ. So real quick, you can see I went short this morning and pretty much caught the high. Wrote it down for from there down to the initial balance high. I was just going for a quick scalp. And over here on the 15-minute chart, I'll show you exactly where. You can see this previous day on Friday, we had this nice down close candle right here, and then a massive candle low where we had that pretty good size sell-off. So price was just booming this morning, and I was like, okay, I'm just going to do a quick scalp, see if we get price to touch in this area on that 15-minute candle, and it did. And then it immediately, pretty quickly, went down and touched the initial balance high. So I got out. Obviously could have held on, but I'm just scalping these markets right now, and it was just a nice little 1-to-1. Additionally, I took another trade. Here is the 20 SMA. Obviously, price was kind of consolidating. It was kind of bouncing in and out of the 20, and was able to get short when price started to fall, and got a nice little 10-point win there on the NASDAQ too. So pretty okay with this sort of trade. It wasn't a big risk. It was just going to go for that quick momentum of, hey, we are falling pretty quickly. We're going below the 20, can't stay above, and just took a nice little scalp. So today I didn't have a lot of opportunities for my ideal setup, so that's why might look a little bit different. And I was just trading really quick. Didn't want to risk anything since this is kind of counter trend trades that I took today. And I actually have an order sitting down here to see if we do get a late afternoon sell-off, which I don't know how likely that is, seeing how much farther below it is. But this is that 5-minute 20s above the 200. Here's the 50% extension of the 5-minute open, and I would just look for a 1-to-1. I've had pretty good success with just trading this trade, but I don't know if I'll get entered into that today. So I'll keep you posted if I take any more of those this week. But yeah, so those are the Apex accounts. you just fight on with them. You can keep trading. And that's what I'll do. I'll keep you posted after I hit 8 days and on the next payout request. So, and luckily at that point, I'll be able to request a little bit more money. So, okay. Several accounts going right now, guys. I have the 2 PA Apex Trader Funding accounts. This one's obviously what we discussed. This one's a little bit newer. It's at about $1,400 in profit. Let's see. And then TickTickTrader, I have 3 of the 150K straight to funded. Last Friday was brutal, where I gave up a lot of my profits from earlier in the week and then some. So it was just a bad day of trading on my part, and take full responsibility for that. But today, copied the account with those 2 scalps I did with Apex, and up $555 in each of those. Same situation with Tradify. Was able to copy and bounce back a little bit. So long ways to go since I hit my max daily loss limit last Friday with those accounts. Just being, went on tilt. I'm sure you all can relate. But glad today was a nice little winning day on a Monday. So happy with that. Real quick, just wanted to show you guys, I really like the Tradify dashboard, the trading journal and everything they have now on their website. It is really clean. Now, obviously, this Friday, this red day, was the terrible day where I just unhinged and started taking trades that had no real setups. I couldn't explain what I was doing. Price was moving so fast, and just I was seeing red, so that's what happened with my price. Or my profits just evaporated and turned red on the day. And yeah, it happens. Luckily, they have a auto liquidate where it stops you, so you can't blow your whole account in one day, and then you still have room to keep fighting. So that's where I'm at with this account. I do really like this though, the dashboard. So you can see I started this account late January the 31st. Traded, had a couple days where I didn't take trades, had this bad day, and then today is already up here. So that part's really cool. You can refresh and it will auto load the trades you've taken for the day, so you don't have to wait till close of business. There's a trade journal. I have been using this. I think it's really slick. So if there's this note and you can add in. So I just write down my trade 1 is that previous day 15 high, down close candle, entered short, and was looking for the initial balance high level. So you can put whatever you want. You can edit it later in the day if you take more than one trade, but real slick that you can do it instantaneously. You can look at your trade log. You can pull reports. There's an economic calendar. Just really, really slick as far as it goes with prop firms. This one is really nice. So I am very pleased with this. And in fact, Tradify had a Discord update or announcement today where they are doing a 40% flash sale on their straight to funded accounts. So I did pick up another 150K account. Haven't traded it yet or set it up. But you can get 40% off. You just have to use the code. It's Eagles for the Philadelphia Eagles. So if you see this video and you get this before the close, I think it's midnight tonight on Feb 10th, you can get 40% off with them. So I do have a link if you want to click that too. If you're new to Tradify, check them out. They're pretty legitimate, pay really fast, read the rules. But I am very impressed with this. I'm using this as my journal for all the accounts since I'm basically copying them. And then guys, yeah, TickTickTrader, I believe they still have 40% off too. So that's a good deal. They give you even more drawdown than Tradify, but their dashboard isn't as robust as this one. So there's some give and take, but you can use code SeanTrades at any of these firms if you want to get a discount. Helps the channel out. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'll be posting hopefully some more later this week on how progress is going. But you know, small rebound day after a terrible day Friday. Pleased with that. And just looking forward to growing the accounts. Hope you had a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, everyone, take care.